Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be comparing the two great gaming monitors, the LG 27GP850B and the LG 27GP850P-B. So both the models are kind of similar, but there are a few key differences that might help you decide which one is right for you. So if you want to check them out, you can also get them by the link that is given in the description. So without further delay, let's get straight into this video. First, let's talk about the design and the build. So starting with the design, both of them share a very similar look. So they feature 27-inch screens, thin bezels, adjustable stands for the height, tilt and the pivot. However, the PB model has a slightly more premium build with its enhanced durability, making it feel a bit sturdier on your desk. Second thing, if we talk about the picture and the display quality, so both the models feature a 27-inch 440p resolution with nano IPS panels, giving vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. If we talk about the colors and the accuracy and the HDR, the color accuracy on both the model is great with 98% DCI PB color gamut, making them a solid choice for both gamers and content creators who want accurate colors. Now, if we talk about the connectivity, so in both of these, we have the similar options like you get the two HDMI 2.0 ports, one display port 4.0, USB 3.0 hub, and the headphone jack. So there is no big difference here. Next, if we talk about the price and the value, so the LG 27GB GP850PB is typically cost a bit more due to the slightly more premium build quality. On the other hand, the features and the performance are almost same. So which one should you actually purchase? So you can go for the LG 27GP850PB if you want a sturdier and more premium build and don't mind spending a bit more. If you want to save some money, then you can even go with the LG 27GP850B. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to check out the links in the description.